In this tutorial, I'll show you how to empower patients to self-serve with Jotform apps. This is a great way to give patients easier access to healthcare information and services while reducing administrative work. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus create, then select app and choose use template. In the search field, type healthcare and browse through the available templates. Choose the template that best fits your needs and click use template. Once the template loads, you can customize the app by clicking add element. This allows you to add components such as videos, educational content, or other resources for your patients. After adding an element, click the gear icon to open its properties. In the General tab, you can add a URL if you're embedding a video or linking to an external resource. You can also customize each section of the app by clicking on it. Use the customization panel to adjust the text, colors, layout, and other settings to match your practice and patient needs. Once you're happy with the changes, click Preview Form to make sure everything looks and works correctly from the patient's perspective. That's how to create a patient self-service app with Jotform. Thanks for watching.